this is my second study. And why I wanted you to look at it, not to point out that it's particularly good or bad or anything else like that, but when I looked at it, when I first drew it, I realized that I hadn't made the height from this edge to the bottom long enough. So you can just about see where I've corrected it. So I went back and I checked the width from here, you know, the size of that piece across the front by putting my pencil on it, and checked how it related to the height of it. And in fact, it was about 2/3 the size. The width is about 2/3 of the size of the height. In other words, it's taller than it's wide. Okay. So do check proportion and make sure that it looks right. If it doesn't look right, it's possibly something as simple as the height and the width are not haven't seen them correctly. Okay. I think this is more interesting, the 3/4 view, than the first one I did, which is this one, which is just on its side. So, but you know, it's quite nice to just do these simple pencil sketches initially, just to get your eye to really A, look at the subject, and B, think about, well, would it be more interesting if I turned it round a bit or came at it from a different view? I mean, I think it's quite interesting seeing down inside the bag. It's much more interesting than if I had it up on the table directly in front of me. Yeah. Now you can create that by, like Chris with yours, where you've got the flap coming down. It does allow you then to see the box inside, which is nice. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Here's my drawing. Okay.
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, what isn't quite accurate is that it probably could have been a little fraction wider and a little fraction taller at the front.
Yeah, because I mean, just, can I say?
Yes, go on.
Well, it's just the box, which is at the back of the bag, I presume.
Yes.
Doesn't look as if it's sitting on anything.
It is. It's sitting on a box inside the bag.
Right, okay.
But you can't see that.
Yeah, it just looks like it's floating.
Well, this is the front edge of the bag.
Yes.
This is a bottle that's sticking out of the bag.
Yes, I got that.
And this is a box of cereal behind the bottle that's sitting on another box inside the bottom of the bag.
Just doesn't look as if it's got any weight in it, the box. So there's no contact of the bottom of the box with the bag.
Well, you can't see the bottom of the box because it's hidden inside the bag.
I realise that, but there's that. Okay.
No, I think what you're saying is probably valid, and I'll certainly have another look.
An empty box.
But what I am aware of is that the proportions of this bag, this is the edge bit here, and this is the bottom edge. The proportions of it, the cross from here to here, that's probably could have been wider, and it also could have been slightly taller. So, you know, you have to sort of, don't be satisfied with what you see first of all, is what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
3 more minutes and I'd like to have a look at what you're doing.
Oh.
Okay?
No.
Okay, let's see how everybody's getting on. I've just about lined all mine in. If I go in any closer, you're just going to see bits of it rather than seeing the whole thing. So I've got my bag on its side and it's sitting on the trolley. So that's as far as I've got with it. Okay.